Hello, friends, welcome to my channel. This transmission is about the letter that Divine Masculine writes to Divine Feminine. For personal sessions and for readings, for tarot card and for intuitive readings, for twin flame readings, you can check out the description box and connect with me. My dearest Divine Feminine, I hope this letter finds you well and surrounded by light and love. As I put my thoughts into words, I am guided by a deep sense of connection that I feel towards you, one that has been growing steadily in my heart for some time now. Although we don't know each other well, there is something special between us that I can't ignore. I consider myself a spiritually mature person, someone who values inner work and holds faith close to my heart. Over the years, I have learned to discern the differences between fleeting emotions like crush or infatuation or something truly meaningful. I have never been interested in superficial relationships that others might pursue for temporary satisfaction. What I feel for you is different. It's profound and it feels like it has been divinely guided. The intensity of my emotions towards you tells me that I am on the right path in life. I have been waiting for the right moment to share my feelings with you. And I know that when the atmosphere is right or the scenario is in my favor, I will seize the opportunity to express everything I am holding in my heart. I believe in divine timing and trust that God is guiding this journey. The feelings I have for you, I know, are not by chance. They are placed within me by something greater than myself. I have always been careful about committing to anyone. I always chose instead to focus on becoming the best version of myself. Life has presented me with many challenges, especially in the realm of emotions, but I have worked through them and I have applied with determination and faith. I have followed the right path even when it was difficult, and that has shaped me into the person that I am today. This is the reason why I am convinced that the natural attraction I feel towards you is not random, it has a purpose. I want you to know that my feelings for you are genuine. I am committed to showing you this in due course of time through my actions and the way I live my life. There is something about you that sets you apart from others, from millions and millions of people. There is something about you that deeply resonates with me. I have always trusted my intuition and gut feelings, and they have never led me astray. It's the inner knowing that tells me there is something significant between us. I respect you and those around you, which is why I haven't rushed to express my feelings immediately. I also believe in taking time with things. I believe that emotions, when genuine, should guide us towards the right course of action. For now, what I know for certain is that just seeing you fills me with happiness and a sense of energy that I can't quite explain. I feel blessed whenever you are around, and I can't help but think that we have lots in common, more than either of us may realize at the moment. But intuitively, I know that we are the same because you are probably in the same vibration that I am in. I've always hoped to meet someone like you, someone who resonates with my soul on a deeper level. The fact that I feel so strongly about you, unlike anyone else, convinces me that there is something right about how I feel. Simply being in your presence brings joy to me. And I know it's not a passing fancy. I believe that this connection is so divinely guided that I'm eager to see how things unfold. While I trust in divine timing, I also know that I must take inspired action to ensure that I play my part in this journey. I hope that in time you will see and feel the sincerity of my emotions, and perhaps you will reciprocate them in the same way. I do want to talk about divine timing because I deeply believe in divine timing and have unwavering faith that everything happens for a reason. Even the feelings I have for you are a gift from God, a sign that I am on the right path. I'm so struck by how strongly I am drawn to you. It's a feeling that I can't quite compare to anything I've experienced before. Calling it a crush wouldn't do justice because what I feel for you is far more intense, more real, and more profound than that. I don't easily develop feelings for just anyone because I tend to keep to myself and live my life with purpose and intention. I live a busy life and I am committed to inner work. For as long as I can remember, I have also been committed to living a life of authenticity and responsibility. I've always felt that it's important to be a role model, a good role model in the world full of bad role models, to behave in a way that others can look up to. This has been ingrained in me, and I take it very seriously as if it's my responsibility. It's also one of the reasons why I have been extremely selective about who I allow into my life. I value genuine connections, and I can tell when someone is authentic and true to themselves. You're different, and your authenticity shines through in everything you do. There's something about you, something incredibly uplifting, that affects not just me, but everyone around you. Your presence brings happiness wherever you go, and I can't help but feel that same joy whenever you're near me. Even when you're not around, your thoughts linger in my mind, but not in a way that makes me sad or longing. Instead, thinking of you brings a sense of peace and contentment, as if it's your energy that has a positive effect even from a distance. And I always look forward to seeing you again. The next time I'll see you in person is more like a surprise. There is an anticipation as to what you would be wearing, how you would be dressing up, or the simple things about you. Are we going to have an eye contact or not? I see you smiling and it makes me happy. Sometimes I cannot really smile back, like when you're smiling at other people. I cannot act as if I am looking at you or I am noticing you, but in my heart, I have a joyous feeling. There is an anticipation, a quiet excitement that builds within me at the thought of being in your presence again. It's not something I take lightly because I know there's something special between us, something worth exploring and cherishing. Without even knowing it, you have made such a significant impact on my life. And I'm so amazed at how strongly I feel for you. And I'm so eager to see where this path is going to lead us. With all my admiration and sincerity, your divine masculine.